Hey guys, it's Ane here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will be making this infinity jumpsuit. I fell in love with this jumpsuit when I saw it on Pinterest. I said I have to make it. So here I am with an easy DIY jumpsuit tutorial. I do have another infinity dress tutorial. I will leave a link on the description box below. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that notification bell to receive more of the easy DIY tutorials. Thank you. For this DIY, I used a stretch knit fabric, and I used about 3 yards of fabric to create this jumpsuit. That'll be it for the tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed watching this easy DIY infinity jumpsuit. And guys, there's so many ways that you can actually dress your jumpsuit. I would recommend for you to check out Pinterest on different ways to style your jumpsuit. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please do leave a comment on the comment section below, just telling me what you think about this tutorial. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.